I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself.
Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this particular video. Today I will be teaching you the power of egg. Yes, the powers of local egg. An egg that is from a free chicken, a chicken that fed naturally, a chicken that is not a slave, a chicken that has freedom. Local egg has freedom, they move about, feed naturally, they are more connected to the universe. So that's why the egg from there is more important. Okay, they are more connected to your universe, they feed naturally, and they are free to move around. So you need the egg of a local chicken. Now I'm going to teach you how to use this egg of a local chicken to break all curses. Maybe somebody lay curse on you, to send it back to the person that said that curse on you. Is it a family curse you are suffering from, to send it back? Or maybe anybody has done work for you that is making you not to progress. You use egg to destroy it. Whatever it thinks that is working against you, egg can do the magic by the power, by the special grace of Almighty God. And remember, nothing work without the permission of the Creator of heaven and earth. Okay, those things are things God have given to us. To me, I see nothing wrong with it. When something God have given to us for me to use it to better mankind, I see nothing wrong to it, as long as it's not going to cause harm to another person that is innocent, and as long as it's not going to make me to worship that thing, I don't consider it as a bad thing. Okay, guys. Assuming someone tell you that some of the things God have created for us, we can join them together and we happen that we can make an airplane with it, you doubt it. You will call it superstition or whatever you will call it. Yeah, how will we fly in the sky? God did not create mankind to move in the sky. But here we have airplane today, but we call it technology. But by the time you look at things in another way, spiritual, but you take me superstition. So that is left for you. So today, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how you can use egg to rehabilitate. If you are suffering from any kind of backwardness, your job, nothing is working out. When you go to your business place, nothing is working out. Anything at all that seems not to be working out for you, that is going against how you want it to be, even if it is a court case, okay? Whatever it is that is going against how you want it to be, all you have to do is get a local egg. After you have gotten a local egg at night, okay, anything from between 7 to 11 p.m. It should not exceed 11 p.m. Between 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. at night, all you have to, between that period, you can do it. All you have to do is to get a local egg, go to a particular juncture, yes, any juncture at all we serve, speaks the words what you want on it, speaks the word. Very, very important. Remember, I said egg represent life, okay? Yes, egg represent life. In a place where you're asked to use a hen, for example, sometimes eggs can do the work. Okay, so egg represent life. What you have to do is speak the words you want on it. After you spoke those words on it, then use the egg to round your head 3 times. Okay, 3 times anti-clockwise, okay, use to round yourself 3 times using your right hand. After you use the egg to round your head, then you smash the egg on the ground. After you have smashed the egg on the ground, make sure the egg breaks. Turn back and don't look back. Turn back and don't look back. Just go straight to your house. Okay, go straight to your house before you can come outside. You can go inside before you come outside again. And sometimes you have to understand something. Depending on the damage that has been done spiritual realm, will determine how long the spiritual work will take before it work for you. So don't just do spiritual work today and you expect you to see result tomorrow, which is technically not possible. It all depends on the damage that has been done to you already. Okay, it all depends on the damage that has been done to you already. So depending on the damage, you determine how long it will take for you to see the result. So it has not happened now doesn't mean it's not going to happen. Like the last class I did on my WhatsApp group, I make you understand the power of your mind. Affirmation works very well. Affirmation work faster. When you are saying spiritual work doesn't work for me, you are affirming, you are telling the universe that spiritual work should not work for you. When you are saying I'm poor, you are affirming to the universe spiritual work does not work for you. So when you do something to liberate yourself, when you do something to get away from the bondage, speak the words that are in line with your new line. When you do some spiritual work, okay, you have to be mindful of the words you speak, for some of them will be used against you. yes, for some of them will be used against you. And I also said that if you do anything back to send or you swear on a particular thing and you're expecting that thing to happen, please you be mindful of the kind of person you take something from. Else they will come and spoil whatever you have done. Okay, you'll be mindful of how you take things from somebody. Yes, you'll be mindful of how to take things from anybody, okay? And remember, your mind is your creative power. Whatever you believe or feel, that will definitely come to you. So, and the universe will not give you what you are not prepared for. If you request for it and you are prepared to receive, as you prepared for a bicycle, in the bicycle you will have, okay? So most of all the things that are happening to you today is as a result of those things you've thought or speak about yourself in the past, okay? Stop speaking negativity about yourself. Whatever you say, even jokingly, the universe will use it against you. Nothing like I don't want to be poor again. The universe don't know the word don't. The words that we use against you is I poor. That dot will be removed. So instead of you to focus on what you don't want, focus on what you want. I want to be rich instead of say I don't want to be poor. Don't even utter or think what you don't want. Okay, don't even utter or think what you don't want. In that way, you'll be in line with the energy of abundance. And if you think of scarcity will come to you. Just understand the way the universe, when God created mankind, and give us a creating machine, which is our mind. So whatever you feel and think and believe, that will happen to you. And whatever you say about yourself, even jokingly, that will come to you. See you guys, and I want you guys to comment in the comment section that this must work for me. Affirm positively in your comment section what you want. Yes, I want you to affirm what you want God to do for you on the comment section.